Are you busy, work long, hard hours, and don't want to spend hours at the stove? Well, I'm making it easy. In 10 minutes, we'll have flavor and fun all in one. Hope you enjoy. So today, I have a one-pan meal for you. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I have this Knorr's cheddar broccoli rice mix. This is delicious. Come on with me, and I'll show you what we do. All right, guys, got some chicken breasts here. What we're going to do is just trim them off a little bit. We're going to split them right in half, cut them right straight through. I want them to cook evenly and quickly. That's all we're going to do with the chicken. That's all you need to do. Come over here to the frying pan, and we'll show you what we do. Down, I have here some bacon fat, and I'm going to go with about that much. While this is melting down, I want to come over here, and all I'm going to do is season up the chicken with some salt and pepper. That's all we need to do, just a little salt and pepper. All right, so we're just going to do a little salt and a little pepper. We don't need much more than that because there's plenty of salt and plenty of pepper and other seasoning in that Knorr's packet. Our skillet is getting up to temperature. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the skillet now. You guys, this is such a simple, quick, and easy meal. You get home late from work and you want something quick and you want something healthy and delicious, this is the way to go. All right, get a little bit of cook on this side. Once they get a little brown, we'll flip them over. What we're trying to do is we're trying to completely cook the chicken before we add the other stuff to it. Back in a minute. All right, guys, chicken is done. Go ahead and pull it out of the pan. And we're just going to leave it to the side for just a minute. Whatever you do, guys, don't rinse out these goodies. These goodies, you want these goodies. Cheddar broccoli Knorr's, and it calls for 1.5 cups of water, 1/2 cup of milk, not spilt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Do is we're going to mix this right around. What's this going to help? It's going to help also. It's going to break up all those bits of chicken that are stuck to the pan on the bottom. Oh, it's going to be so good. And what it says is to bring it up to a boil. We get all those happy bits off the bottom. Oh, they're going to be so good. Guys, do me a favor. If you haven't checked out the previous video, check out the video where I made fried chicken wings. Give this a minute to come up to a boil. And I'll go ahead and add the packet to it. Alrighty, guys. It's up to a boil. Go ahead and add this rice and broccoli mix. And according to this, it has cheddar, broccoli, rice, and a pasta blend with a cheesy cheddar sauce. Got to be good. All those little bits of happy goodness in there, all that cheddar cheese, all the little pieces of broccoli. Go ahead and add the chicken right back on top. Just like that. Put a lid on it. 7 minutes. We'll be back in 7 minutes. Alright, guys. It has set for 7 minutes and it smells absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and get a piece of chicken out. That over here. Get a little bit of this rice mixture. Oh, yeah, that smells so good. Look at that. Cheddar cheese, rice. A little bit of that right on the plate. All right, guys, let's have a taste test and see how we did. But this looks absolutely fantastic. Smells good. Looks good. Chicken is completely cooked through. All right, guys. Cheers. Here we go. See how we did here. A little bit of that rice and pasta. Piece of chicken. Oh, yeah. That's all you need, guys. A little bit of salt and pepper. And man, when you deglaze that pan and everything, all those flavors from the chicken and everything just comes right straight through, right into that pasta. Try this at home, guys. You're going to love it. But until next time, God bless and happy eats.